Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Heartway S11 Zen. Here at Out & About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out & About family. Now that you have your brand new Zen, it's time to open it. Remove the basket. Your Zen will be packaged securely to protect it in transit. Remove this packaging. We recommend cutting the sides of the box to make getting your Zen out easier. Once the sides are cut, it's time to unfold. Firstly, push the release lever on the tiller of your scooter down and push the tiller up. Remove the seat from the footwell of your scooter. The keys will be on your handlebar. Your Zen uses fob key technology. To switch your scooter on, press the key to the power button. You'll now be able to steer your scooter out from the box. To attach your seat, line the bottom up with the mount. Push the seat down and twist it into position. Unfold the backrest and raise the armrests. In the box, you will have received bolts and brackets to attach the basket. Place the L bracket on the front of the scooter and screw it into place with the silver bolts, as shown. You will need an Allen key to tighten the bolts securely. Before attaching the basket, place the black bolt brackets at the bottom of the basket, as shown. Place the basket on the L bracket and line the bottom holes together. Screw the basket to the base of the L plate. Screw the remaining bolt brackets to the back of the basket to secure it. Tighten all the screws with an Allen key. Test to ensure your basket can hold weight. Your Zen is now ready to drive. To charge your Zen, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charger is located below your seat. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Zen. This will help protect your scooter from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If your battery indicator shows red, you'll need to leave it to charge. We recommend charging your scooter overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. If your battery indicator shows green, your battery is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator, as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, you have full charge. On yellow, start consider charging. On red, you have low charge and will need to charge your scooter. Your Zen has a user-friendly display, including a fob key start, speed dial, battery gauge, horn, and headlights. Your Zen has an adjustable tiller. Push the release lever down and pull the tiller towards you, releasing in a comfortable position. To switch your headlights on, press the headlights button on the control panel. Your headlights button will light up when they are on. To switch them off, simply press the button again. Your Zen also has adjustable arms, and a swivel seat. To activate freewheel mode on your scooter, locate the red lever on the back of your scooter. Push the lever down to activate freewheel mode. This means you'll be able to push your scooter manually. To take it off, simply push the lever up again. Make sure your scooter is off before activating freewheel mode. If you leave your scooter on, you'll need to switch it off and restart it to re-engage the brakes. To disassemble your scooter, firstly remove the seat. Push the lever down and twist the seat off. You will need to remove the battery next. Grab the battery by the handles and pull up. To release the motor, pull the frame release lever up. Pull the scooter body up until the frame hooks are no longer resting on the frame tubes and carefully pull the sections apart. Bolt the tiller down. Your Zen will disassemble into 4 separate parts. To reassemble your Zen, straighten the tiller. You will need to reconnect the motor and scooter body. Tilt the rear section slightly back and align the frame hooks with the frame tubes. Lower the front section completely once they are aligned. This will engage the frame lockup. Reinsert the battery. Reinstall the seat and rotate it until it is secured in position. Switch your scooter on to make sure everything is assembled correctly. If you have any questions with your new Zen, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.